Hello, and thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. The topic of hybrid animal is going to be the focus of today's video. So stay tuned. Exactly what does the term hybrid animal mean? Can you explain the many hybrid species? Are they fantastical beings that only live in stories? No. Many hybrid species exist in the wild. Most animal hybrids are the offspring of sexual encounters between species that are genetically close to one another. Animals that are the product of hybridization in laboratories are also available. By means of what they call somatic hybridization, scientists are able to modify genes to produce new species with advantageous features from both parents. In this video, I'll show you 12 amazing examples of hybrid creatures that actually exist. Number 1. Liger. As the result of a mating between a male lion and a female tiger, the liger is the biggest of the big cats and, arguably, the most well-known hybrid species. The offspring of a tigress and a tiger will often outgrow either parent. The heaviest liger ever recorded weighed an incredible 1,600 pounds, whereas the largest non-obese liger in the world weighs 1,000 pounds. Since lions and tigers don't often live in the same locations, ligers would be extremely rare to see in the wild. They more closely resemble lions than tigers in appearance and demeanor, although they exhibit tiger characteristics including a passion for water and a striped back. Number 2. Tigon. That a tigon and a liger should be essentially the same animal is an opinion shared by many. They share a same ancestry with tigers and lions, after all. The child of a male tiger and a female lion, however, is called a tigon. When compared to their liger parents, tigon offspring are noticeably smaller. Characteristics of their lion moms, such as the capacity to roar and a fondness for social interaction, are manifest despite their appearance being more similar to that of their tiger dads. They don't become any bigger than their parents, usually weighing in at approximately 180 kilos, thanks to growth-inhibiting genes passed down from both sides of their families, 400 pounds. Number 3. Wolfen. One of the most unusual hybrid creatures is the wolfen. They are the offspring of a bottlenose dolphin female and a false killer whale male. False killer whales are dolphins, however they are not related to killer whales. Number 4. Leopin. The offspring of a male leopard and a female lion, called a leopin, are stunning and rare. Leopin's reach size is similar to those of lions, however their legs are shorter than those of a leopard. They share other leopard characteristics, such as a fondness for water and the ability to scale vertical surfaces. Number 5. Beefalo. Beefalo are a cross between a buffalo and a cow. Beefalo are often created when a domesticated bull is bred with a female American bison. Beefalo are beneficial because they can breed without human intervention, unlike many other hybrid animal species. Animals with the finest characteristics of both breeds, these were developed specifically to increase beef output. While their flesh is thinner and more tasty than that of bison, they are more docile and simpler to manage than domestic cattle. Number 6. Grolar Bear. As the name implies, Grolar bears are a hybrid of grizzly and polar bears. They are also known as Pizzly bears, grizzly bears, and the hybrid of the First Nations terms for polar bear and grizzly bear, Nanulak. Although they only reach around 60 inches in height at the shoulder and 1,000 pounds in size, these bears are better adapted to warmer regions, owing to their grizzly bear ancestry. Number 7. Jaglion. The Jaglion, the offspring of a male jaguar and a female lion, is yet another beautiful and unusual big cat hybrid. Number 8. Zebroid. By definition, a zebroid is a cross between a zebra and another type of horse. The combination of a zorro and a horse is known as a zorse. Number 9. Geep. The Geep, a goat-sheep hybrid, is one of the prettiest hybrids. Geeps are cute but scarce. Some specialists disagree whether the Geep is a hybrid or an aberrant sheep. Cross-species conception is almost difficult since goats and sheep have distinct chromosomal counts. If it happens, few infants survive pregnancy and delivery. Number 10. Cama. Camas are the result of crossbreeding dromedary camels and llamas and are mainly created by artificial insemination. Since male dromedary camels may weigh 6 times as much as female llamas and the reverse pairing is ineffective, this is the best and safest way to breed them. Unlike camels, camas lack humps and have fluffy, soft fur like llamas. They were developed as a pack animal in arid environments, generating massive amounts of wool while remaining tame and easy to manage. Number 11. Savannah cat. Although commonly kept as house pets, savanna cats are actually exotic hybrids, the offspring of a domestic cat and a wild African serval. Approximately the size of a big house cat, savannas are beautiful creatures with an exotic appearance. They look wild and exotic because of their elongated bodies, slim builds, and spots. Savanna cats with a higher serval blood content might grow to be double the size of regular house cats. Anyone considering buying one should, therefore, conduct their homework thoroughly. Savanna cats are wonderful pets because they are smart, loyal, and affectionate. In addition, they are loved pets. Number 12 and the last one in my list is green sea slug. The green sea slug is among the most peculiar hybrids here. It is a kind of sea slug that integrates DNA from the algae it consumes. The bizarre end product is a creature with characteristics of both plants and animals, such as the ability to use photosynthesis to produce its own food and the digestive system of an animal. That concludes my list of the 12 different types of hybrid animals that are currently known to exist. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing, sharing it with your friends, and commenting on it.